I'm Dave Logan. I'm the founder of Onli Travel, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Onli Travel Venture Rolling Bag and show you how to use it. So we have the box here, and what you'll see when you first take it out is it looks like this. And what you'll see is we've actually designed the rear of it in case you actually do want to check it sometime, with a protective cover that covers the rear padding and some compression straps here on the side that you can use to compress the bag if you want to compress it down. Most of you will not be checking the bag, so the first thing you're probably going to want to do is stow the compression straps and stow the rear cover, which is very simple. It just stows away right underneath. Like that. And then you can attach the backpack straps, which can be stowed away if you want, or they come out and easily attach just like this. There's also a hip belt, and there is a sternum strap which you can choose to have on or off as you wish. So then what you can see is we've designed a three-piece modular system, unique in the travel industry. So the idea is that by being able to take the bag apart into its component pieces, you can get different configurations for what you need, and you have smaller pieces that can be stowed more effectively in tight airplane compartments so that you never have to check a bag. So I'm going to describe how the backpack works as I take these three pieces apart. So first I'm going to take apart the rear unit, and you'll see that it becomes on its own a lightweight backpack. Perfect for lightweight commuting. It'll hold your computer, it'll hold incidentals, hold a spare jacket, things like that. So I'm going to put that down here. And now I'm going to take off the front piece, which you can see is here. And I'll put this suitcase piece down. We'll come back to that in a minute. So you can see this front piece is also a backpack. But what's interesting about it is it has these velcro straps instead of traditional backpack straps. So it can be used as a lightweight backpack. But the reason we use the velcro straps is because you can literally hang it from the airplane seat in front of you like this, so that when you are on an airplane, you have easy access to everything you want and you have legroom. And then you can see that this piece here folds down and becomes literally a shelf. And that shelf is designed to hold your tablet or your iPad so that you can do emails or watch a movie or whatever on the plane. So literally it creates a workstation for you on the airplane and more legroom. But what I'm going to do for now is I'm simply going to stow these straps back like this. And now I'm going to show you how these two can be combined to become the ultimate regular everyday commuting pack. So what I'm going to do now is re-zip the front and the back together, and you can see now I have the bag that I'm going to commute with every day. Put it on my back. You can see it's fairly flat and close to the back so that you can work through crowds such as in a subway or a bus or something like that. I'm now going to put the backpack aside for a minute, and I'm going to turn to the suitcase. We'll come back to the backpack in a minute. So the suitcase is a typical rolling bag. What you can see is that you can roll it. And of course, if it's attached to the backpack, you can carry it like a backpack as well. Unlike most rolling bags, we've designed ours with side pockets for convenient items. So for example, here's an umbrella. And on this other side, in a waterproof compartment, here is a water bottle. So that's for convenience. And then what we did is we designed the cube system on the inside to perfectly utilize the space so that you can pack efficiently and you don't have to worry about what goes where. So what you'll see here is we have a folder for small incidental items. We have a toiletries bag with an extra compartment underneath where you can put workout clothes or a brush or makeup or anything like that. By the way, all these cubes are literally labeled so that you know exactly what to put them in. Socks and underwear cube, clean on one side, dirty on the other. The most difficult thing to pack is typically shoes. So we've designed a 2X shoe cube with compression straps so you can compress it down and you literally put 2 pairs of shoes in this bag. Just compresses down very easily with Velcro straps like that. And then finally we've designed the industry's first double-sided folder. So you can see we've designed it so that it packs flat and your clothes don't wrinkle. So shirts on one side, pants or bottoms on the other side. And finally, we have a suitor so that you can pack a suit or a dress or something like that for a business trip. So when you go to pack, it's as easy as clunk like that, clunk like that, clunk, 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 and you're packed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the socks, the toiletries, and the shirt and pants. So I'm going to show you how they work with the weekender bag in a minute. And I'm going to zip up the rest of this and put it over here. And now I'm going to come back to the backpack. So what you can see is the backpack is designed for very efficient, quick access for your electronics. So if you look at this top front pocket, it folds down like this. You have space for your iPad, your phone charger right next to it so you can charge your phone inside of the bag if you want. Pens, place for something like headphones, notepad, etc. And an access where you can put a cord through if you want to charge or if you want headphones to go through one way or the other. Then this bottom pocket is also designed for quick access with a dedicated cube for your chargers and your cords, such as for your computer or your tablet. In your 311 bag for your liquids, which is also a great bag to carry anything wet, like an umbrella or a rain jacket or something like that. And then you have these quick access pockets here that are designed to just quickly put a receipt or a train ticket or a map or something like that. On the other side, what you can see is that we've designed, this zips down like this. You have a place for your computer, fits up to a 17-inch computer, and also a place here for a jacket or a windbreaker or something like that. And you can see that this folds flat. The reason for that is it's TSA checkpoint friendly, which means you do not have to remove your computer when you're going through security. You just unfold it like this and go through security. And by the way, this also works when this is attached to the rolling unit. So that is also TSA checkpoint friendly. So this is the perfect commuting bag for your everyday travel to and from work, or for running around wherever you might be going, or for running around a city if you're traveling to a new location for a vacation. What I'm now going to show you is how it converts to a weekender bag, because it is expandable. So what I'm going to do is simply expand it like this, and you have 13 extra liters of space right in here. And the cubes have been designed to fit perfectly in here. So if I'm going off somewhere for a weekend, I pack my shirts and pants in here, underwear, toiletries, maybe a water bottle, maybe an umbrella, and now it's a weekender bag. And now I can go off for the weekend. You see, it looks like that. So there you have it, the Only Travel Venture rolling bag. It's a lightweight backpack, it's an everyday commuting backpack, it's a weekender bag, it's a rolling bag, and it's a large backpack that's expandable to 69 liters in total if everything's expanded. This is why we say it's the only bag you'll ever need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the product. Thank you.